question number 6. This is of main question number 3. Page number 205. A, B and C. Now over here, A and B, old ratio. 3/5. Okay. Now they admitted C, new ratio. C for 1/10, 1/10th share, which C is going to acquire from A and B in what ratio? In equal ratio. यानी ये जो 1/10 है, इसका half will be from A and इसका half will be from B. You understood this? So what we do is 1/2. So sacrifice of A is 1/10 into 1/2, which is equal to 1/20, and 1/10 into 1/2, which is equal to 1/20. If we add, it becomes 2/20, which is 1/10. Understood this? Now can you find the new ratio? New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. 3/5 minus 1/20. 20 is the LCM. 5 4s are 4 3s are 12 minus 1, 11/20. Then 2/5 minus 1/20. LCM is 25 4s are 4 2s are 8. 7/20, and here into 2/2, which is 2/20. So the new ratio is 11:7:2, and sacrifice ratio is 1:1. A, B, C and D. Old ratio. Percentage is given 20, 40 and 40. So 20/100. 1/5. 2/5. 2/5. Understood? 2/5 कैसे आया पता चला ना? Okay. Now C. D. New ratio. D gets 1/8. Now D gets 1/8 from who? From B and from C. In what ratio? 3:2. Can we do this? Can we find sacrifice? One by 8 into 3/5. 1/8 into 2/5. New ratio. Now you can find the new ratio. Very simple. Over here it remains the same 1/5. ये तो as it is है. Old minus sacrifice. Sacrifice है ही नहीं. Then over here 2/5 minus 3/40. 5 8s are. So 8 2s are 16 minus 3 is 13/40. Over here 2/5 minus 2/40. 40, 5 8s are 16 minus 2 is 14/40. And here 5/5. 5/40. Here 8/8. 8/40. So new ratio is 8:13:14:5. Isn't it? And sacrifice 3:2. between B and C. A and B are partners of the firm. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share in profit, out of which C takes 1/15 share from A and remaining share from B. That's the only information available to us. Okay, now let's first write down what's the ratio of A and B. What can we assume over here? Equal. So let's look. Old ratio we assume as equal. New ratio. Now C gets how much? C gets 1/5. Sacrifice. Now C gets 1/5. वो 1/5 में, out of which C takes 1/15th share from A. So A is sacrificing 1/15. So what is sacrifice of B? Can I say 1/5 minus 1/15? ये पूरे में से इसका sacrifice इतना, तो बाकी sacrifice is of B. Understood this? All of you? So is equal to LCM is 15. 3. 2/15. Got it? Now can you find the new ratio? Do it. 1/2 minus 1/15. Cross multiply. Because 15 and 2. 15 minus 2 upon 30. 13/30. 1/2 minus 2/15. 15 minus 4/30. 11/30. New ratio is 11. 13 is to 11 is to 6. And sacrifice is 1 is to 2. New ratio. Ninth sum. A, B and C are partners. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:3. They admitted D as a new partner for 1/20th share of profit, out of which he takes 1/40th from A and remaining from B and C equal. Okay. Now, what's the old ratio given? 4:3:3. So 4/10, 3/10, and 3/10. New. C gets how much? C gets 1/20th share of profit. Gets 1/20. D as a new partner 1/20th share of profit, out of which he takes 1/40th from A. So sacrifice ratio of A is 1/40th from A and remaining share from B and C equally. So what is remaining now? 1/20 minus 1/40. What? 1/20 minus 1/40, which is equal to 1/40. This is to be shared between B and C equally. So this will be into 1/2. which is equal to 1 by 80. Over here, again, 1 by 40 to 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 80. So this will become what? Into 2 by 2, 2 by 80. So the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 1. Check कर लेते 2 by 80, 3, 4, 4 by 80, which is 1 by 20. Match हो गया? Find the new ratio now. So sacrifice ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 1. Find the new ratio. 4 by 10 minus 2 by 80, which is equal to 4 8s are 32. 30 by 80. 3 by 10 minus 1 by 80. 23 by 80. Again, this will also remain the same, 23 by 80, and this will be 4 and 4, 4 by 80. 30, 23, 23, 4. New ratio, 30 is to 23 is to 23 is to 4. It's an easy one. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3 is to 1. They admitted C as a new partner. A sacrifices 1/3 underlying of his share. So we have partners A, B and C. And B sacrifices 1/4 underlying of his share in favor of C. Now, old ratio. What's the old ratio? 3 is to, so 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. New ratio and sacrifice. Now C gets how much? It's given? No, it's not given. A sacrifice of A is 1/3 of his share. So whatever he gets, uska 1/3 of what A gets. So what does A get? 3 by 4. Okay, into 1 by 3, which is 1 by 4. You understood this? Here it is given of 3 by 4. Sacrifice of A is 1/3 of his share. So whatever you are getting, uska 1/3 you have to sacrifice. Understood this? Okay. Previously what we did was, it is from his share. You understood this? 1/20th from his share. So directly from my share, I am giving 1 by 20. Here it is 1/3 of, यानी मुझे जो मिल रहा है उसका 1/3. You understood the difference between both? If from is given, directly we write 1 by 3. If it is given from, so directly you will write 1 by 3. If it is given of, 1/3 of your share. Are you able to visualize this? Okay, so then you will multiply and find out. It comes to 1 by 4. Now, B, sacrifice of B is 1 by 4 into how much of his share? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 16. Now let's check out what will be what we have to check. New ratio of C is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, which is equal to 4. 5 by 16. Can you find the new ratio of A and B? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. So it is 3 by 16. So this will be 8 by 16. 8 is to 3 is to 5. New ratio 8 is to 3 is to 5. Sacrifice. Four is to 1. 4 by 16 and 1 by 16. Denominator has to be same. 11th sum. A, B are sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5 to 3. So 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. Now, they admitted C as a new partner. Now C, in order to take C, A sacrificed 30% of his share. So what is the share? 5 by 8. Iska 30%. 3 by 10. 15 by 80. B sacrifices 20% of his share. So 2 by 10. 6 by 80. So what is the gain of C? 15 by 80 plus 6 by 80. 21 by 80. Can you find the new ratio now? New ratio is equal to 5 by 8 minus 15 by 80. LCM is 80, 10. 35 by 80. 3 by 8 minus 6 by 80. 30 minus 6 is 24. And 21 by 80. Therefore, sacrifice 15 is to 6 or 5 is to 2. 12th sum. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 1. They admitted Z as a new partner. X sacrificed 150 from his share and Y sacrificed 1/5 of his share of his share in favor of Z. You understood the difference? You understood the difference? Can I say sacrifice of X is directly given 1 by 50? But for Z, for Y, we have to calculate. Okay, start doing it. Old ratio 2 is to 1. So 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. C. Now, X sacrificed 1/15 from his share. So, question 12, it is X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. X is 2 by 3, 1 by 3. X sacrifices 1/15, directly 1 by 15, and Y sacrifices 1/5 of his share. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 5, 1 by 15. So what is gain of Z? 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15, which is equal to 2 by 15. Got it? Now, we find the new ratio. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 15. 10 minus 1, 9 by 15. Y, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 15. So 5, 4 by 15. So the new ratio is 9:4:2 and sacrifice 1:1. Okay, now question number 13, very important new concept. X, Y and Z are partners. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of old ratio 2:3:1. So 2/6, 3/6 and 1/6. They admitted W as a new partner with 1/6 share. So now this partner, new partner, gets 1/6. Now what the term is? Z will retain his original share in future also. Now Z is getting how much? 1/6. So Z says I should always get 1/6. You understood this? Now what is remaining is between them. Remaining is, I'll write over here, remaining 1 minus 1/6 minus 1/6. Can I say this? Out of total profit, 1/6 goes to Z, another 1/6 goes to W. So what is left is to 4/6. This 4/6 belongs to X and Y. In what ratio? 2:3. 2:3. So 2/5 and 3/5. So new ratio of X is 4/6 into 2/5, which is equal to 8/30. 4/6 into 3/5, which is equal to 12/30. And this will be 5/5, is equal to 5/30. And this will also equal 5/30. Therefore, new ratio is equal to 8:12:5:5. Let's check. So this is 30, total is 30. Okay. And sacrifice is equal to old minus new. So 2/6 minus 8/30, 5. 30 is the LCM, 10. 2/30. 3/6 minus 12/30. LCM is 35, 15. 3/30. And over here, 1/6 minus 5/30. 0. Because this person Z retains the original share. Understood this? So sacrifice ratio will be 2:3. Now this remaining